Right, hello again. Just a quick unboxing video. Bought one of these Chinese smoke leak detectors. Let's see what we get. T80 smoke leak detector. These are for detecting faults in cars, such as in vacuum lines or intake systems. Hinsinc smoke leak detector T80. Power in, smoke out. It's 12 volt. Had the oil in the top here, and there's a level gauge on the side there. Some very nice gloves, that'll be useful for nothing. An empty oil bottle, hose, another adapter, hook for the top of the machine, power cable, rock clips, and a weird looking expanding job. So very cheap, flimsy crop clips. Plugs in there. And the smoke output line screws on. Like so. And a hook for hanging it off, whatever you might want to hang it off. I need to find some oil to put in it now, so I'll be back in a minute. Right, so baby oil. Let's put some of this in here. Spread it everywhere. Connect this to a car battery. Hopefully it's got some power in it. It does. And we have smoke. Right, so that is a Hinsinc T80 smoke leak detector. Bought this off eBay. I got it delivered for about 35 quid, I think. And this is useful for finding leaks in air systems, mostly on cars. So put a bigger adapter into your intake system, and it will show up any leaks. So this one is for bigger pipes. You put it in, pump it up, and obviously put your smoke in. That comes out the end there, fills whatever you're testing with smoke. Useful for finding leaks on intake manifolds or vacuum systems, that kind of thing. So yeah, there we go. Please like, subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you on the next one.